Remove your present tempered glass film. Use the wet whips. Use the microfiber cloth. Remove the dust using these stickers. Choose a ACCOF tempered glass screen protector. Put the alignment kit on the top of the phone. Grab on two sides. Pull off the dust film. All the dust is gone. Press down from the fingerprint to the arrow in the groove. Wait 8 seconds. Put down the ears on the top and bottom. Take out the alignment frame, and you can see the screen protector is fully coverage on the device. Press the edge just to make sure that everything sticks properly. Finally, tear off the last protective film. High-definition picture quality. Show original colors. Privacy protection. Invisible to others. Sensitive touch. It runs smoothly and without lag when you play games. 2.5 rounded edges don't hurt your hands. Receiver is coveraged. Dust can't get in to clog the receiver. Electroplated oleophobic layer. Anti-fingerprint. Waterproof. Anti-scratch. Drop-proof. How to fix another screen protector into the alignment frame. Aligning the holes on the top and pull down throughout the gap on the bottom. Alignment frame becomes cell phone holder. White, high definition. Red, privacy protection.